Let's see here. I love this little bag. Oh. Thermometer. Yes, how you gonna know if you got a fever? This is my home first aid kit. That's right. It doesn't exactly look like a first aid kit, but this is actually what I use. I use this old cosmetics bag and I got it chock full of stuff that I use when I need home first aid. The question is, what do you have in your first aid kit? We are going to go through what you need to have today to make sure you are taken care of. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle. I'm a practicing family physician and an on-air health expert. All right, let's get started with this old cosmetic bag that I use as a first aid kit, which, by the way, your first aid kit can be stylish, okay? First thing I recommend is some type of pain reliever, okay? By the way, you'll see some brands, very likely. I'm not advocating for any particular brand. I just want you to make sure you have the category, okay? Pain reliever, Tylenol, Motrin, ibuprofen, acetaminophen, whatever your doctor recommends, you want to have some type of pain reliever on hand just in case, okay? That's the first thing. Now, second thing is Band-Aids. Yes, you want to have Band-Aids. Well, we know why, because every now and then we all get that occasional scrape or cut or what have you. So making sure that you have Band-Aids on hand is super important, okay? All right, let's see here. Well, let's go to cough and cold stuff, right? I keep a few things. I have a nighttime cough and cold medication. Again, brands are not being advocated. I just want you to make sure you got something. What else do I have for cough and cold? I got this one. You just want to have some cough and cold medications on hand. And by the way, here's another one that I got. So I got a few. And of course I got my trusty cough drops. This is not necessarily required, but cough drops are often enjoyed. All right, so we got that. Next, what do you need? I would say have something for gas or acid reflux, okay? In case you get a little funny in the tummy, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So what do I have? I got a little Gas X, okay? And I think I got something else. Oh, got some Pepto, okay? So whatever the favorite brand is that you use, that you like, whatever, just make sure it's in your first aid kit. All right, let's move on to allergies, okay? Allergic reactions, things like this. You gotta have an antihistamine. Antihistamines come in various forms, shapes, sizes, and brands. I don't care which one you get. Just make sure you have an antihistamine to relieve itching, allergic reactions, things like this on hand. I should also say, as your friendly family doctor, you know, you really should be making sure that you're checking your products that you have at home with your doctor to make sure that they work with any underlying medical conditions you have and that they're safe in combination with any other medications you take, okay? Gotta say that. Now, moving on. What else we got in here? Let's see here. I love this little bag. Oh. Thermometer. Yes, how you gonna know if you got a fever? Let me tell y'all something, okay? When I'm talking to patients over the phone, they call and they say, Dr. Caudle, I don't feel well, blah, 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 blah. I always ask, okay, do you have a fever? And this is them over the phone, so I can't take their temperature myself. And they said, yeah, I do. And I said, well, what was your last reading? Oh, well, I didn't take it. I just felt warm. Guys, you want to make sure that you're not going by just how you feel. You know how you feel, but it's helpful also to have that number. Make sure you got a thermometer in your emergency first aid kit so that you can tell us what your temperature actually is. All right, good. Okay, moving on. Two more things, guys. I also keep an antibiotic ointment in my first aid kit just in case, you know, you may want this, you may want to have some just in case. And finally, last thing, this thing is almost empty. I have a hydrocortisone ointment. Yeah, it's a cream, a cortisone cream. Comes in lots of different brands, shapes, sizes, strengths. This helps relieve itching and irritation and things like that for, you know, certain things. So it's always good to have this in your medicine cabinet just to make sure you are covered. So let's throw all this stuff back in. See, and it fits too. I would also say, regarding your medicine bag, your first aid kit, it can be stylish, okay? You can use an old makeup bag. It's totally fine. Guys, remember, as I said before, check with your doctor about all these medications, making sure you have the right ones in your first aid kit, that you know how to use them, what exactly they are for. Run this by your doctor, guys. I hope this is helpful. I'm Dr. Jen Caudle. I will be back soon with more videos. Oh, if you've not liked and followed my page, I invite you to do so. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel and clicked the little bell, I invite you to do so as well. Guys, I will see you soon.